Hello friends, in this video we will see how we can run a Python programming code in a smartphone without going to any website such thing by using a simple app which is available on Play Store known as pydroid 3. We have to just simply install this. As I have installed it, let's open, and as we will open, show a board where we have to simply write our code, any code. So like basically write hello world, and we have to run this program by using this yellow button, and as we run, the output in our console is showing hello world. So we can basically run any program using this app, and this is offline app, so you can operate this anywhere, anytime without using internet. So thank you. You can follow us for more videos on Python programming.